Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well during this current lockdown, because it's been extended for another 3 weeks. At least we'll get things done, right? Today I thought I'd come back up to you with some welding I'm doing on the T4. Never really done any replacement parts or anything. So I've had to replace the front inner and outer front sills, which I bought the kit from Just Campers. I haven't recorded myself doing the whole process because I've never done it when it's taken my time. So what I'll do, I'll turn this around, show you what I've done. It's still not finished by any means, just to give you a bit of an idea. But if you're more than capable of picking up a welder, give it a go. It really wasn't that difficult at all. I did have issues with my welder, which packed up halfway through, so I had to go buy another one. Didn't help. But let me turn this around and show you what I've done. There's my daughter moaning at me. Right, so basically, if I can get it to focus. Okay, sorry about that. I had to sort my daughter out there. So get this to focus. Basically, I've just put a skimmer filler at the front in a minute, and I do need to sand all this down. This was late last night. But basically, the cut went up here. I will attach some pictures onto this video for you as well of how bad the inner seal was. Down here had a few rust down the bottom here, so that's all been treated as well. I don't know if this was the right procedure of doing things, but I've welded the inner seal to the edge of the step, so it was cut along here, and then I've gone along with the weld again. By all means, I am no professional welder, but it is done. I had to weld a couple of plates here as well, unfortunately. Again, this is all very common, but what I have done, everything has been obviously welded. I've then treated it with rust killer to kill any last little bit that's there. I've gone over it with red oxide primer. I've now gone over this with a coat of black. Now what I'm going to do is seam seal. I'm literally seam sealing absolutely everything, so that everything is absolutely covered. I'll just show you some bits I've done underneath as well. If I just get under the fan, so bear with me 2 minutes. Now it is difficult to see under here, but I have welded a plate here. This was pretty difficult trying to get it into shape. Yeah, you can't really see, it's quite dark under here, need light. But yeah, so everything under it, all the welds that are here are all going to be seam sealed, and this is all going to be treated and painted. But like I say, if you more than capable, I would not be afraid at giving it a go. The parts weren't expensive. The hardest part now is the prep work, covering any welds and getting it all nice and smooth, but major improvement to what it was. But yeah, if you've got any suggestions or any tips or anything like that, then yeah, please let me know. Other than that, I'll